Well, I just started making videos. This is my first video of working on these Honda Recons. I restore these things from ground up a lot of times, and I even got the correct paint for the wheels that matches just like the factory. I mean, identical to the factory. I have narrowed it down, pretty much studied these bikes enough in and out to how to make them look brand new again. There's cheap ways of doing it. But there's one thing that people have a problem with, is welding. Welding the shifter on the shift shaft. As you can see on this one, never seen such an ugly weld in my life. But this shifter was welded on this bike, and I was like, you know, gotta be an easy way to replace this. And there was. On the 2002 and up for the 250 Recon, they have a retaining bolt back here. It's a 10mm directly behind that shaft. You see that little bolt right there? Well, you pull that out and this shaft comes right out. Well, on the older models, 97, 2001, the retaining bolt is inside that casing. You have to replace it, pull the casing off and everything. It's a big mess. The newer models are easy. You lean this bike up on its side. You have to do this. If you don't lean this bike up on its side like this, mine's not completely over, but it's leaning a little bit this way. But as long as that engine is kind of leaning over on its side like that, well, that little spindle inside it won't fall down in there. So when you pull that shaft out and you get this sitting on four wheels, that spindle inside there is going to fall down and you're not going to get the shaft in there. You may or may not, most likely not. So lean the bike on its side, pull that training bolt off there, 10mm, pull that shaft right out, put your new one in it, but you got to line that little dot up, straight up and down. See that dot? Straight up and down with the motor. It has to go all the way in. You know you got it all the way in when it's about 2 inches out here. You'll be able to tell by looking at the old one. You can kind of measure and say, oh, it's all the way in. There's the splines, and that's where it's about right there. So you can be able to tell to measure by the old one how far in you got it. And replace your retaining bolt here, and there it is. Never seen anything on YouTube on how to replace these anywhere on the internet. So I'm making these videos now on these problems that people don't even post or know how to fix. I mean, I've done some research and I'm having to fix it myself and figure it out and how to restore these bikes to new again. There's ways to make the motor looking new, the pipe, paint on everything. Buy a spray can. I mean, it may sound bad, but there is spray paint out there that you can make it look factory, you know, by the can. So there's just different ways. I can keep going on, but my main objective on this video is this right here. Easy fix for the welded shifters. All right.